As the tagline goes, this is nobody's kid brother. This one stands on its own 4 tires. Let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a 1960 Plymouth Valiant sedan. The scale is 1/18. The manufacturer is Best of Show or BoS models, and the part number is BoS 204. The box looks simple yet sophisticated, so let's dig in. Yes, I used Psycho sound effect because I couldn't help it. The movie came out in 1960 as well, so there's that. And we all need some Hitchcock in our lives. Keep it suspenseful. The characters on the license plate are the actual model number. This is a first generation Valiant, and it was introduced in 1959 as a 1960 model. The Valiant was an instant hit, and it sold 146,792 models, according to Valiant.org. Valiants were equipped with slant 6 engines and 3-speed manual transmissions as standard. Thing is, for the first model year, the Valiant was still under Chrysler. It was in 1961 when Chrysler classified the Valiant as a Plymouth model. Okay, so history done. Here's the actual 1960 Plymouth Valiant sedan in what looks like aqua mist. The wheels and tires on the model look good. They're not steerable, of course. This is one of the die-cast models which I didn't care too much about its finishing, and I always care about quality and finishing. It does have decent details, not amazing, but decent enough. I basically bought this one back in January 2022 because it was much different than anything I had in my collection at the time, and in resin, mind you. Notice the weird taillights shape. I'm not sure if they're this large on the actual car, but the distinctive body styling is really something. The paint job is also pretty well done. This color combination of the silver body and the red vinyl seats works really well for me. The whole thing looks a bit jazzy. I can't really categorize this car. It's a mix of boxy, classic, and weird. Maybe not weird, but different. And different is always good in my book. The body styling was certainly radical for its time. Very nice stuff. The model delivers on quality, and the color combination is a plus. It doesn't have any openings, has a boring undercarriage, and no working suspension. But it's still very attractive. And that's that.